This is a fit for a 2015 through 2019 and likely beyond Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the EVO Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number KIT 5179. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.